Okay, so Advent of Code Day 12 is in a few minutes. Wait, 1 second, I'm gonna close my door, actually. Oh, it's already closed. Probably gonna keep bumping my mic throughout this recording or stream. I doubt anyone's watching it live. In the few minutes I have real quick, I'm gonna throw together a helper class for 2D arrays. Because I think this will be pretty helpful. Let's say this has a number of dimensions and a type. This dimensions, let's just say it's 2 or 3 real quick. We'll just say this is 2 for now, actually. Or, sorry, extends 2. Dimensions is D. And data is going to be I don't even know how to spell dimensions, bro. Let's just copy that. Should I make this private? And then let's make a utility type for multidimensional arrays. Which takes a dimensions and a type. Two or 3. So now we know that this is guaranteed to be a 2D array because this extends 2. And then we don't have a bunch of time, so I'll just write a get x number and a y. Or maybe I'll chords number array. Shoot, it's 5 minutes. Let's just get my other files ready. I'm not even exporting these, but I probably should. I need to close up this. Just get my default imports ready. I pretty much only start these days with one line that just like reads in my input and splits it at the new line characters. Let's get this ready. Oh, I have a viewer. It's probably me. Why is my music not playing? I don't want to do this in silence. Oh, I like to log my input because sometimes, what was it, like day 4, day 3? I just do a ton of stuff on one line like this, and it can be useful to like already, or wait, no. Yeah, this one. Yeah, I'm just basically doing everything on the input. My original solution had this inline right there. I should probably remember to drag this over when the problem comes out so you can see the problem on stream. I'll go back to this for a minute. So this is going to return T. I'm just going to get my let's just put this here because I don't want to be throwing type errors because this isn't complete while I'm trying to do today's yeah, okay, that's correct. Let's do this actually. Let's make this not spread, and then let's do a wraparound. And this should be T or undefined. And it's going to be Boolean equals false. So if this is set, then like if you get -1, it's going to give you the end of the array, which will be useful probably. A neighbors function in here. Chords wraparound doesn't make sense for this. I don't think. Actually, yeah, why not? But the thing this time, what we're going to be getting is not. It's not like if you put a -1 in here, it's going to be, if this is on the edge, it's going to get the neighbor on the other side. Sorry, I'm eating a piece of chocolate. Give me a link somewhere? No. I don't think today's gonna go well. Not feeling it, but here we go. Let's go. Some sort of grid problem, or maybe graph problem. Characters or actions paired with integer input values. Is this another VM? Means north, south, west, left, forward. Does this turn? Does this turn? Only left and right change. Number of degrees. Oh, so we're gonna be doing some trig here. Number of degrees, north 10. At the end, Manhattan distance. Oh, then the puzzle input is F only followed, no. Or wait, no. Left only followed by 90s. Right only followed by 90s. Yes, fantastic. Grab this input. This is going to be a tuple of the direction, parse int. And now let's just go right here and let's input reduce position instruction. Well, we can actually just structure this. Instruction argument return position. Position should default as a 0, 0. Well, no, let's do direction 0, position 0, 0. Get direction and position out of there. If I can type. If I are else else let's say that that's negative 90 const directions equals, we need to remember to mod this. So up is going to be 1, 0, left, down, right. Now let's switch on the instruction. Case L, case R, break. So then let's say direction is equal to I'll log my input again. This needs to be in parentheses. Yeah, okay, I think that's correct. And then let's see what the other instructions were. Okay, so case north position 0 is equal to arg times directions 0, 0, 1, 1. I can repeat this for the other cases. North, east, south, west. Why is my alignment wrong in here? And then do this forward. I just realized my music's not playing. That pisses me off. Cannot read property 0 of undefined. Interesting. Let's see. What line is that on? Tell me. Line 46. So that's what I thought was going to happen here. But let's just... Or like I thought that might happen, but I'm sad that it actually did. We can import mod. Now, let's grab some test case, see what we get. Okay, so this is like the big not right. Looking at the input, F10. Oh, do we start facing east? Start facing east. Direction is 1. Okay. Oh, I forgot pluses on all of those. Right. 14's not right. F7 gets us to 317. That's correct. R90 facing south. What if I change this to there? Yes, that's the correct answer. So I can do that. I need a math.abs. Position 1. Please correct. Pog. Oh wow, I was slow. Indicate how to move a waypoint, which is relative to the ship's location. The waypoint starts 10 units east. Ship moves, the waypoint moves with it. Almost all the waypoint starts at 10 units. Relative to the ship, that is. If the ship moves, the waypoint moves with it. So we're scaling that vector. So wait. What? Move the waypoint. Action L means to rotate the waypoint about the ship. Action R means to rotate the action. Okay, so what? Put dot reduce. I'm not really sure what we're getting out, so I can't really destructure yet. I guess I can grab this still. But what the heck goes in my accumulator? The ship's Manhattan distance from its starting point. Okay. Let's set a waypoint. I didn't mean to zoom in there. To be at 10,0. 10,1. I think we can grab this actually and put it in here, and then we can still grab this. Okay. So forward is really going to be times, oh, that was dumb. That's not where that goes. Waypoint 0, waypoint 1. Okay, so what did these left and right operations mean? Clockwise, 90 degrees. I can't think of what that transformation looks like. Move the waypoint. Okay. So if we're at 2, if we're at 2, 1, and we rotate left, we're gonna get 1, -2. If we rotate left again, -2, -1. Okay, so the first argument shifts forward, and the other argument reverses. Okay. 4, let I equals 0, I less than, I'm going to ahead mod this by 4, and this is the arg. Waypoint equals waypoint 1, waypoint 0 times -1. Property 0 of undefined. Pog. Why? Because I'm not doing waypoint there? Is that why? Not the correct answer. Let's try the test case. I'm pressing all the wrong hotkeys. Leaves us at 96. Versus the test case says that we should be at 286, so that's not the correct. That's annoying. I'm gonna get that out. Okay, so after the forward, we're already wrong. Do I just need this? Is this the only thing I need? That gives us 277. That's still wrong. Oh, this moves the waypoint. That's still wrong. Interesting. Let's log my waypoint position as well. Maybe my waypoint's supposed to be at 10, 0, or 110. I think that looks more correct. F7. Okay, so that's right. Shoot. This is wrong, but I don't know why. Could I do negative arg? It works. I'll take it. Okay, that was really slow. Let's see how I did on my private leaderboards. I was bronze. Yikes, dude. Oh, he got it in 13. I took 20. What was the incremental times? Yeah, I didn't. Oh, this is me. It took 10 minutes. Not the best. Not the best. High warp. Looks like my other leaderboards have not finished. Yeah, I was bronze on here as well. So why was I so slow today? What went wrong? I think the biggest issue was I really didn't read the question very well. I didn't understand what the heck it was asking. What? Ooh, 13 is up. What the heck? Oh, that's cool. We're going up now. I had very little understanding of what it was asking. Well, how could I fix this now? Like, do I really need this to be like this? For one thing, I can... maybe... let's go 4 minus there. And then... that. This way, I guess I still need this one here, but I don't need this. I want to see how some other people are doing. Okay. So how could I clean this up? Should not have two maps here. Let's do I don't care. Guess that helps a little bit. I don't know if there's a better way to do this, or like, it doesn't help that I had to think through this step right here. This wasn't intuitive for me. So that was one thing that kind of went wrong, but I don't really know how I can like prepare for that for the future. I mean, like, maybe I know it now. And then these are all kind of awkward. maybe I should have mapped to a custom instruction that was something like forward, but it had 2 arguments, but then that kind of messes up my whole system. I feel like this is kind of easier. I could have done, let me just do this, for example. And then yeah, this is probably the way to do it. I can copy that up here as well. Yeah, that. Does this still give me the correct answer? No. Cool, because I declared that as constant. That looks wrong now. That looks very wrong. Did I just forget? No. Is part 1 right? Yes. Part 2 is wrong. Because I don't have a break here and it's flowing past. I really hate switch statements. I think the syntax is gross. Or I can just part 1 name part 2. So where am I on my leaderboards? I didn't really look how much that affected my score. I think I'm still second on this one, but instead of being 8 back, I'm 13 back now. Did I finish 4th for part 1? I guess I did. That 4-minute incremental time is really impressive. What was the global leaderboard here? 11 minutes. What was our guy? He was something really fast. Yeah, he was 2 minutes off. I guess I can check silver, bronze, okay. Could be worse. And then bronze here. I probably got like 10th in this one. Oh, 4th, okay. Okay, I'll take it. This is probably a constant I should have in my tools file that's exported, because I feel like this is used frequently. And, okay, I got the neighbors there, which is kind of a similar concept. I don't know if I actually needed it anywhere else yet, but yeah, that is a useful thing. I guess this solution is okay. Let's remove that. And I'll push this up to my GitHub. And I'll link to my GitHub. Yeah. I don't know if chat replay gets saved in, I'll put it in the description there. Cool. Well, while I'm here, I think I'll write this grid class. Didn't mean to do that. Yeah, I can't really think of any better way to do this. Oh, you know what? We can go look at his solution here. He probably already pushed it. It doesn't do the leading zeros and it gets lexigraphically sorted. I think that's so annoying. Okay, so he did rotating how I did, and then he looped over it like I did. Okay. Yeah, since I hard-coded my directions, it was more to type in the moment because I was just multiplying by those by 0 anyway. But he didn't have that directions. Oh, you can use the rotate on this direction variable instead of using I just used the number as if it was an enum basically. Okay. I feel like this problem might have been more fun if it was not grid aligned and it was maybe do some like trig or something. And he just parsed it right in the loop. Neat. Let's see if he pushed his. No, definitely not. This guy's the Rust. No. People on this guy probably has some cool solutions. No? 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 No, he doesn't have solution in here yet, right? Yeah. So how is it going to implement this? This neighbors function is interesting because this is going to be like a variable number of for loops. I guess I could do it with a, I don't know what the correct word for this is, but I could loop 3 to the dimensions, and then I can filter out when they all equal 0. Alright, I have to take like the base 3. I don't know. Working in base 3 just sounds awkward. Because whenever you have like 2 something, that's not that bad to like check if a certain bit is set. But this one, it's a little bit more annoying. I mean, I probably don't even need neighbors and dimensions outside of 2. Oh, I guess I can't chain these. Is that a thing? No, this isn't what I'm looking for. I don't know what the correct term is called. Conditional types. Maybe I could do something like this, where I pass D into here, and I have 0 T array. No, this doesn't work. This absolutely would never work. Right? I can't have types in this array, can you? Why does it say this is never used? Oh, but it doesn't say this one's never used. Oh, because it's not private. I don't know what I'm doing exactly when I do this. Number. What is test? 3? Oh, it works. I don't know if I can recursively define it because I can't exactly do D minus 1. So I think I kind of have to just let's do export type array dimensions. No, it doesn't make sense. That doesn't help at all. I might as well just define it here. Wait, I just realized, I thought did I do something wrong and somehow get the right answer? Look, it says rotate the waypoint around the ship. I didn't do that. I rotated about the origin. Oh, never mind. I just remembered. The waypoint is set relative already to the ship's position. Relative to the ship. So that clarifies that. Oh, the helpful thing of having this separated was because I could do a key of here, and I could do a key of here. So I could do array sizes t equals that, and now I can do array sizes t of d extends key of any. Oh, that's not what I want. I do not want join, sort, concat to be possible parameters, and I don't want them to be string form. So maybe I just undo that. Let's just not do that. Let's just say array sizes. Wait, I was thinking this earlier. He just said this is his, he thinks this is his prettiest code yet. Oh, that is really, that's, wow. Interesting. Panic. I love panic. I think that's so funny. Waypoint. Maybe this is dumb, but it might be easier for me to define grid recursively, where a grid, a grid's data internally becomes a single-dimensional list of other grid variables, or grid-like instances. Yeah, screw it. Let's do that. Oh, that's confusing because again, I can't do d-1. Maybe I shouldn't do that. Or I could just do internal extends any. But I don't want to do that. I do want this to be fairly strictly typed. I can just do a helper thing in here. Sammy, or hi. I can't think of what the heck I'm doing right now. Helper of, okay, so let's say this is the array and these are chords. Can I not do that? Is that not a thing I can do? Cannot find name this. Let's just say that this is going to be in any array. Let's just name this sizes. This is T. Okay. getting distracted. I code so much slower when I'm trying to like give some thought to writing usable code. When I'm like solving a problem, like I don't really care what I write. I'll write anything if I know it'll work. This is a poor definition. Let's just do T or undefined. Now we return array dot is array r. Let's just say that's any, honestly. Okay. Question mark r. No. Undefined or r, because this r will be t in this case. Oops. Here we go. Else we can grab get helper. My array is going to be array of chords 0 and chords slice 1. Let's say this is a two-dimensional grid, and never. Okay. Oh, it's because they're empty. Dumb. Yeah, now it gets grid 2 number. Okay. Test.get number. That's what I like to see. Undefined. And that should be undefined. Okay, cool. So that works. So that doesn't actually let me call it. Nice. You get a type error. And that will also give me a type error. Okay, cool. So now, this one I'm also going to need a helper thing. Again, because the number of dimensions is variable, I'd have a variable number of loops. I think I talked about the 3D issue before. Neighbors helper equals so this is an extremely similar definition to this, I think. If chord's length is 0, well, yeah, I should do export const concat equals ours array, and it's going to return a array. Ours dot reduce so this will flatten an array. Forgot to put the type arg. There we go. And then well, I guess I don't need to use concat here. Even though that is a useful method for the future, because the number of elements is known here, I can just do that. And then I want to go ahead and const empty this abuses object like comparison to create a unique value. What's the issue? Oh, return type any. Well, yeah, I don't care. why am I in all caps? Return. Oh, I'm outside the function, dude. I'm retarded. And I didn't use my wraparound here or there. Yeah, I need to implement this. Well, first let's go ahead and just test neighbors, not neighbors helper. Error. Cannot read property 0 of undefined. Cool. So let's go ahead and console.log our chords so we can see all the times this function gets called. So of course that length or not R. Undefined. So the issue is right here. Oh, not R. That doesn't make sense. Well, let's do if not R, return empty. Oh, that is... Wait, correct. The only thing is is center true, false, that's not correct. We don't have two centers. Oh. So what we actually do is center and. well, this can just be false. This needs to be is center and true. Oh, no, it just needs to be is center. What am I dumb? Cool. So let's go ahead and remove that. This is wrong right here. Let's write a note. Does not return undefined values. So now the issue here is instead of returning just the values, it would be better if we could return the XY coordinate along with the value there. So we're going to need more parameters. We can do Alright, screw it. I don't need a type declaration there. Maybe I do. Maybe I do. Maybe let's do it. Maybe it's okay. I'll do that there, and then we just say current. Current is not assignable to number array. So let's not make this number array. Doesn't matter. Let's just put zeros. Or let's just put undefines. Yeah. That's interesting. How did we have that? What? Okay, so the structure returned by this So we actually don't want these spreads here, because that is why we are getting some things that we do not want. if x1 x1 0, is there a flat map? No, I don't want a flat map. I'll finish this up later. I'm gonna cancel the stream. I don't know if anyone's even watching right now. It says I have one concurrent viewer, but that's probably just me having the tab open. So, see ya.